Are you looking to take hold of your family's budget and save more money? If you're hoping to see your savings grow, all while shopping from home, I can help. Hello, I'm Danielle Jones. I've been running a very popular all Amazon blog for over 2 years now, and we've had over 1 million views. Just last year, Amazon cut my commissions for my sales because the offers I was showing my readers were that good that Amazon wasn't making any money. For the first time ever, I've created this beginner's course to Amazon, showing you how to find the same deals that I find and save yourself money. In this course, you're going to learn several things, including how to find the sales and deals that are right for you. I'm also going to show you about Amazon's Subscribe and Save program and show you how to maximize the savings of that program without being tied down to future deliveries at full price. We're also going to look on how to find the coupons. Yes, that's right. Amazon offers coupons. And I'm going to show you exactly how to redeem your favorite offers. And then we're going to end with how to stock up on grocery and household goods through the Prime Pantry program. All of these lessons are going to teach you how to save more money. When we're done, you're going to be able to find all kinds of deals and sales on Amazon perfect for you. You won't need to wait around hoping that someone posts that deal that you're looking for. You can go find it. I hope that you'll still come visit my blog and the blogs of others, but you won't rely on us to find every deal that you need right now. Take charge of your money, take charge of your time and your savings, and do it all from the comfort of your own home. Let's dive right in.